Many people try different methods of meditation. They learn, they practice it for some time, and then they leave it because they don't see any appreciable results. So in this connection, I just want to make a couple of things clear. Number one is that what is that we can expect from meditation? Number two, how we can incorporate this meditation as a tool to make ourselves to enjoy a better quality of life, better control over our emotions, and if possible, at a later date, or if it is required by a person, to influence certain kinds of problems which they are physically or metabolically they are challenged with, like diabetes or hypertension. So this program which we are offering is a scientific methodology by which there is a support for you to experience the meditative state. So the science says that whenever a person is in a meditative state, the brain wave reduces. The reduction of brain wave is dependent on the way, the depth of focusing of the individual. And we must also understand that the depth of meditation varies from day to day, from one time to another time, depending upon various factors. So the meditation program that we are offering gives a ladder in the way of brain entrainment music, so that the person can enjoy a consistent entry and stay at a meditative state. The benefits of meditation can be obtained only when there is consistency. More consistent a person enters into meditative state, the results will be much more pronounced. So this is one area where we will be helping the meditators in a very, very beneficial way. The second aspect which we will always focus is, it is okay, there are tools, there are methodology. Meditation is not such a difficult technique to learn. We are going to learn that meditative techniques. But the thing is, how are we going to use it in our day-to-day life? Now, this is one of the reasons for which we need to go in depth regarding the way the mind functions, the way the central nervous system controls the body, and different layers or faculties of mind, and then having tools which will help us to utilize our own brain in a better way. Now here we teach the people in different tools like creative visualization, like auto-suggestion, for example. Now these are the tools by which I can change myself in a very conscious way. So these creative visualization tools, the auto-suggestion tools, have to be incorporated in a meditation session so that we consistently strive to improve the way we are living, the way we are feeling, and we create a path wherein we can try to realize the dreams that are there with every one of us. So this program then serves different purposes for different levels of people. For a student, mindfulness or a meditative exercise will help them to create a wonderful mindset to learn, to remember, and to perform. For a little older individual, this will help them to overcome the challenges of their profession in the business. It can help them. It will make them to face the stress of their profession in a much, much better way. Because when you relax your body, when you relax your mind in a continuous, consistent way, emotions will not be able to drain you out. The emotions will not trouble you to the extent of creating psychosomatic diseases. For a much older person, this can be a spiritual path, wherein deeper and deeper levels of meditation supported by the brain entrainment, music, and understanding of the mind, they can reach a state where they will be absolutely happy with themselves and with everything that is surrounding them. Please feel free to connect with us for any further detail and join the program to enjoy your life in a much, much better way. Thank you.